Good afternoon, students. Students, it's a science class, and this is a part 2 of this chapter. You know, something half of the chapter we have already read and we have already understood all about. And today, let's continue the same chapter. Children, if you have your book, then please open page number 42 of your science book. And today, first of all, we will know about sprouting. What is sprouting? Children, sprouting refers to the process of germinating whole grains and pulses so that they can be eaten raw. Means sprouting is a process by which seeds begins their germination, and sprouting turns starch into simple sugar which is easy to digest. Another benefit of sprouting is that it increases nutritional values of whole grains and pulses. Children, sprouting in Hindi we can say it अंकुरण. और अगर हम हिंदी में इसको जानना चाहें तो स्प्राउटिंग एक प्रोसेस होती है जिसके थ्रू आपने देखा होगा कोई भी सीड जो होता है वो उसका जो जर्मिनेटिंग है जो जर्मिनेशन है उसका वो स्टार्ट होता है. मीन्स उसमें जो है पौधा बनना स्टार्ट होता है, उससे पौधा निकलना स्टार्ट होता है. उसी टाइम को उसी प्रोसेस को क्या बोलेंगे? स्प्राउटिंग. नाउ लेट्स नो अबाउट फर्मेंटेशन. Children, in the process of fermentation, microorganisms like yeast break down complex form of nutrients into their simpler form. Fermented foods are easy to digest. Doklas, dosas, idlis, and whole grain bread are the example of fermented food. Children, fermented in Hindi we say it kidwan. What? It is called in Hindi kidwan. And this is the process in which microorganisms like yeast break down complex form of nutrients into their simpler forms. Now let's know diseases related to food habits and lifestyles. Children, incorrect food habits such as eating a lot of junk food and unhealthy lifestyle, less or physical exercise may lead to several diseases such as obesity, diabetes, hypertension. We can say it BP, means blood pressure, anemia, and various heart diseases. These are called lifestyle diseases. First of all, let's know about obesity. Children, you know these diseases like obesity and diabetes, hypertension means BP problem, anemia, and various heart diseases. These all diseases are called lifestyle disease, and they are all diseases are caused by incorrect food habits. Sometimes we eat a lot of junk food and unhealthy lifestyle. That's why we have to face these problems, these diseases like obesity, like diabetes, like hypertension means BP problem. So now first of all, let's know about obesity. What is obesity? Children, obesity or excessive weight gain is becoming a common problem among children and adults. It is caused due to eating food containing high amount of fats and lack of physical exercise. Nowadays, you can see that a lot of people are fat. And why they are so fat? Because they eat lot of junk food and they not have proper exercise. Food such as junk food and fried food causes obesity in children and adults. Overeating also leads to obesity. Symptoms. What are the symptoms of obesity? Children, excessive weight gain and increased waistline. Sometimes you get your waist too much fat, and sometimes you are going to heavy weighted and have your waist very fat. This is the symptom of obesity. And the next symptom is get tired easily, and fatigue and poor health, labored breathing. These all are the symptoms of obesity. Now let's know about high blood pressure. It is common lifestyle disease, although it is seen mostly in adults, but children may get affected. It is caused due to unhealthy eating patterns, lack of physical activity, and stress and anxiety. High blood pressure for a long time increases the risk of heart attack. And what are the symptoms of high blood pressure? It has no clear symptom. It may cause heaviness in head and dizziness. It may cause sweating on slight physical activities. It may cause nose bleeding. These all are the symptoms of high blood pressure. Now let's know about diabetes. Children, diabetes is a major lifestyle disease in India. It occurs due to high blood sugar level. Children, it is caused due to stress, lack of physical activity, and weight gain. Diabetes is the major problem of India, and children, it is occur due to high blood sugar level in our body, and it is caused due to stress, due to tension, due to lack of physical activity and weight gain. And the symptoms of diabetes are hunger and fatigue, frequent or passing urine, feel thirsty all the time, and slow healing of cuts and injuries, and weight loss without doing much physical exercise. Now let's know about anemia. Children, anemia is termed as both lifestyle disease as well as deficiency diseases. It is caused due to lack of iron in the body. Eating junk food rich in sugar, salt, and fat, and avoiding healthy food rich in iron is one of the major cause of anemia. Means when you eat food that does not has a healthy iron, then you have to face anemia. And anemia is termed as both lifestyle disease, means it is a lifestyle disease as well as deficiency disease. It is caused due to lack of iron. ये किसकी वजह से होता है? आयरन की कमी से. एनीमिया जो डिसीज है, जो बीमारी है, वो किसकी वजह से होता है? आयरन की कमी से. जब हमारी बॉडी के अंदर आयरन की कमी हो जाती है तो हमारे शरीर में कौन सा रोग हो जाता है? एनीमिया. एंड द सिम्टम्स ऑफ एनीमिया आर पेल स्किन, dizziness and weakness, shortness of breath, and loss of appetite. Now let's know about prevention of lifestyle diseases. Lifestyle diseases can be checked by adopting healthy lifestyle. Following are few suggestions. Children, eat a balanced diet that contains important nutrients in sufficient amount. Means we should eat a balanced diet that contains important nutrients, and we should eat fresh fruits and green vegetables, and we should avoid eating fried, salty, and sugary food, and avoid spending too much time indoors. Use computers, smartphones, or tablets for shorter interval only. Means we should not use our computers, our smartphones, tablets for long of the time, for a long time, and we should avoid too much sitting in our houses, and we should practice yoga under the guidance of expert or exercise regularly, and we should spend some time in outdoor activities like jogging, cycling, swimming, running, or playing outdoor games. And we should lead an active life. And the next thing that we can follow is drink at least 8 glasses of water daily, and we should avoid using vehicles for short distance. Now let's know about deficiency diseases. Children, diseases caused by lack or deficiency of a particular nutrient in the diet are termed as deficiency diseases. Deficiency diseases can be curbed by eating balanced diet regularly. Some common deficiency diseases are given in the following table. And children, this is the table in which we can know the deficiency diseases. First disease is kwashiorkor, and the causes is deficiency of protein, and the symptoms we can read from here, and the prevention we can read from here. So this is the table to read yourself. Okay children.